I just replaced this one. The old decal that used to be right here. It was somewhere over here. You can tell by this little line. And this was the dealership. This is where this bus came from. Pelham, Alabama. It says Trim Station South, but you know, some decals got placed over when they got faded out. Rip them off, new one in. So that's why there's the missing letters. I just put this in like a few minutes ago, so I can get this right here. And also, this bus is Hartselles' oldest bus at the moment. It's a 2005 Thomas. Good runner. Got to replace these two. The reason why is because I used disinfectant. I thought it was a water bottle because I was wiping these down. This bottle, it was actually disinfectant. I thought it was a water bottle because I have another bottle where it's an old disinfectant bottle, but had water in it. But I got them swapped. I swapped them by mistake. Sprayed it in here, and I was wondering why it's coming off. And it was actually just disinfectant. It tore that sucker off. See, these two, have to take care of that. Not a big deal. I've seen worse. Alright, there's the Cummins 5.9 common rail. There's also very good motors. This bus has outlasted a lot of buses. I put this here, this old seatbelt cutter. It was right here at one point, but there's no seatbelt cutter. I don't know where it was. So I put a new one in, and I moved this bracket. It used to be right here. Took it out. Actually, the old one was I'm pretty sure it was in a horrible condition. So took it out, screw it back in, because we don't need no eyesores. And put a new screw here. Drilled it to the dash, and it's working good, just like that. Ow, I just with one hand. There we go. Ain't good. Fun fact, I designed these right here. Central Office printed them out, and I put them on. And if you're a bus driver and you want something like this is an air brake test, but color coded it. I can make a YouTube community post and I'll drop the original picture for this and y'all can use it if y'all need to print one out. Because this right here is actually good to have. Some buses, I stick these on the switch panels of some of our internationals and they're actually working great. So I'll post a picture for these soon. Because these are actually good to have. It's just good to have, really. As simple as it can get. Here's some of the old stickers I had to replace. This right here, all of it's sticking now, but this one right here was the old one that was on this bus. And it's still new, but I just went and replaced it so I can get off that little old dealership decal. It's just small details. It's this knee thing. This one's faded out. This top one. Yeah. But whole bus fleet now. We already got new ones in, so I replaced some of the old ones. And this bus has gray, I think vinyl seats, but some of them have leather because sometimes some kids like to poke holes with pencils and stuff. These seats get ripped up, so we got leather ones because all of our other buses got the leather seats, so makes it match. Cleared it out over the summer. There's a lot of junk in here. And believe it or not, we found a wooden paddle back here. I don't know where it's sitting now, but the driver of this bus a long time ago, he had a wooden paddle up here, so very self-explanatory if you know what that means. Someone's tail got whooped, so the driver kept it in here. And it's been there for a long time. This decal just looks cool. All of our Thomases got them. Good quality Thomas. On a freight shaker chassis. Oh, never mind, I forgot something. And that's L5 Thomas, number 7. Alright, peace out.